Welcome to Nestlé Health Science Cooking Series. My name's Natalie, and this video will show you how to prepare no-melt ice cream in a puree consistency.
You will need 250 grams of Sustagen Hospital Formula Active Neutral, 250 grams of mousse mix, 500 ml of pre-made custard, a bowl, a hand mixer or large mixer, a spatula, an ice cream scoop, and one freezer-safe container or tray. To make approximately 25 serves of ice cream, combine 250 grams of mousse mix, any flavour, with 500 ml of pre-made custard into a bowl. Mix the mixture until a light and fluffy texture is achieved. Then add 250 grams of Sustagen Hospital Formula Active Neutral and continue to mix until combined, approximately 2 minutes. Add additional liquid if needed to achieve the desired consistency. Combine until the mixture holds its shape on a spoon. The sample should fall off easily, with little food left on the spoon. The product should not be firm or sticky. Transfer the mixture into a freezer-safe container and freeze for approximately 1 hour. Once set, remove from the freezer and wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Plate into individual bowls and serve using an ice cream scoop. The end product should be tested to ensure suitability for a texture-modified diet. Testing can be undertaken using IDDSI testing methods, for example IDDSI spoon tilt test and IDDSI fork pressure test.